Hey, what's going on, lovely people? I am here today to share with you two ways that you can make up to $400 a week working from home, chatting with folk. Okay, most of you guys are on the internet all day anyway, talking to folks who ain't paying you a dime. So why not work from home, working for one of these two companies, making you some money while talking to customers, okay? The first website here I'm going to share with you guys is SiteStaff. Now, a write-up of both of these companies as well as the direct links to apply will be in the description box down below. So go over, click on the link to the blog, and it'll have both of the links there for you guys to go over and apply, okay? Now, with this company, with both of these companies, you'll need to be able to type at least 65 words per minute, okay? And you must have the ability to multitask. Reason being is because you're going to have to actually carry on 3 to 4 conversations concurrently, which means at the same time, okay? Because I'm pretty sure certain times of the year are probably busier than others, and the scope of the chats will vary because they do have different clients. So you might be working with some people who are chatting with people who are dentists, or it might be a financial firm, or different things like that. And it might be someone who has a business that actually sells something, okay? So the scope of the conversations will be different. You definitely need to make sure that you are able to pay attention to detail. Reason being is because you don't want to be chatting with one client and you mix the conversations up and you answer another client with the answer that was supposed to be for a different client. You get what I'm saying? So you need to make sure that you're paying attention to detail as well as being proficient in being, quick on your feet, because of course, I'm pretty sure these chats vary and they change from day to day. So you must be able to basically think quickly on your feet, okay? Self-discipline, because you will be working independently from your home. You're not going to have anybody over your shoulder. And that's one of the things that I love about working from home is that you're able to work if in your pajamas if you want to, with your hair bun on if you want to. You don't have to shave, okay? Fellas, if you don't feel like shaving today, you don't have to shave today, okay? That's one of the things that I love about working from home. However, you have to be disciplined, because if you're not disciplined, you're not going to get up on time. You're not going to get to work when you need to get to work. So you still need to be disciplined, because you're not going to have someone over your shoulder barking at you, okay? You must be dependable and flexible. The chat hosts show up on time every day for their shifts and are able to work many different times to give the customers the best possible experience. Now, these jobs are flexible. I think with both of them, you need to commit to working at least 20 hours a week. Now, with the second gig that I'm going to share with you, you can work up to 40 hours a week with them, okay? Up to 40 hours a week with them. And again, you have to be able to type at least 65 words per minute, okay? And there is going to be a series of questions that they're going to want you to answer. I would make a great part of the team because you answer that question here. When it comes to working from home, I am most interested in learning. You're going to answer that question here, and it goes on, okay? Now, this one is available in the UK and in the US, okay? So if you live in the United Kingdom, or of course, if you live in the US, you can apply for this position, okay? Now, please, you guys, as you see over here, you see this pop-up that says the chat shop live chat. Please do not type in here anything in regards to working from home, okay? Please, this is for their clients. This is for their clients that are interested in using this platform for their services. This is not for you to ask any questions in regards to getting hired or anything like that. Trust me, okay? I'm not sure if these are actual live people or a robot. However, I don't know if they monitor this, but you type something in here in regards to working from home, you probably gonna regret it, okay? Because they're not gonna answer you back. And if they do answer you back, they're probably gonna be like, do not hire this person, okay? So just do not mess with this. I just wanted it to stay up so I can show you guys. Please do not type anything in regards to working from home here, okay? This is for their clients who are looking to use their services. All of this information will be over here on my blog with the exact links for you to apply. Link in either the description box or the pinned comment. The reason why I do this, you guys, is because, again, YouTube acts really funky when it comes to adding links into their description box. That's why a lot of people use bit.ly links. They use the link shorteners. I don't know if it's their robot or what, but just make sure that you guys go over to my blog. I have the write-up as well as the direct links for you guys to go over and apply. Also, do not forget to go over and join the Work at Home Job Lounge over there on Facebook. It is awesome and amazing. It's free to join. There are some nuggets over there that may or may not be on my blog. Okay, again, I do have people over there who share nuggets from time to time that I don't know about myself. So definitely go over and join the Work at Home Job Lounge. That link will also either be in the description or the pinned comment of this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.